Hello, good morning to all of you. My name is Irfan. Welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to teach you the whole mill operation. First of all, go to create operation. Select the whole making. Click NC program. Click workpiece. Yes, select whole milling operation. Click OK. Specify the feature geometry. I am going to select this feature. Click OK. I am not mentioning any tool, that's why the message will be showing here. Click OK. Go to tool. Create a new tool. Select the end mill. I am selecting 20 mm dia end mill. The whole dia is 50 mm dia. Click to generate a tool. It will be showing of 20 mm dia. Click OK. If you just simply don't change anything, click to generate operation. What kind of it will give the output? See, it's creating two paths. In this operation, if you directly taking spot drilling operation, after that if you creating a whole milling operation, the center line of milling operation it will be created, it will be removed due to IPW. Now we are not did anything of drill operation in that, directly we are using milling method. So let's we cross verify with 3D modeling. Make it slower. Click play. See, first removing the center portion, then it will removing the outer portion. The whatever the left material is there for chamfering, it will be showing. If I need to change anything operation, now I can show you. This path setting, just come to axial. In this axial, depth revolution, distance, just whatever the pitch is nothing but one revolution to another revolution. What is the difference in between there now? That is nothing but pitch. If I am just changing as per my reference, we can't recognize what is the tool percentage, how we can not recognize. That's why I am selecting to millimeters. Here I am changing the value. If you want to see what kind of operation it will be generating, if you just clicking this one, you can see here. It is the total depth is 35 mm depth. See, if the tool directly entering means the breakage of tool may occur. That's why if you changing this one, this value has to be changed. I'm just selecting 1 mm, clicking OK. Click to generate operation. See, line by line 1 mm means the distance between two lines is 1 mm. Now you can cross verify. Click to play operation. See, it will take a little bit time to appearing the operation at the beginning level because of it will automatically recognize. Even you can directly enter to contact with the material. No, that one I will show you. See, clearing the 1 mm only without lifting, because it will reduce the cycle time also. Did you see this one? Now click OK. Click OK. Now you can change this one also. Use ramp angle. While the entering angle is there now. Just see, there is two angles to move inside. Distance angle. Now I can change to ramping angle to generate. How it will going to be? If this one ramp angle, if you are going to change, means you have to change the value of ramp angle. I am just selecting 1 mm. Click OK and generate. See, the same program which will be appearing here, but it will moving depending upon the angle. One more thing I will show you. Because tool will be moving in air at the beginning level, why it will automatically recognizing like that. Means go to cut parameters, go to strategy, in that extend the path, just open it, top offset, the distance. See, the distance in between that 3 mm gap is there. If you make 0 this one, click OK and generate, it will be disappeared. See, we can't do this kind of operations in whatever and wherever it may be. We have to do little bit earlier, because directly if the tool is contact with the material, there is chances of breakage. So that's why it's automatically recognizing. Even if you want at the bottom level to extend this operation, means you can give. I'm just giving. If you want, I just want to show you the 5 mm length. I need this extra operation, means I can give you the 5 value. Click OK and generate the operation. See, if you want to compare the upper part and the lower part, see, this is 5 mm, this is 3 mm. If the stock is holded at the bottom level, means this is must and should it required. If it is not, there is no need to worry. So come back. I'm just removing that one. Make it 0. Click OK. Click to generate. OK. Now I will show you the different kinds of operation of this. Click to generate, select the same thing, click OK. After that, select the same tool. If you select the larger tool, it will automatically recognize. And if you, for example, if you take 40 mm tool, if you go and select the cut pattern, will be if you are selecting spiral, it won't create a generate, it won't generate operation. So go and select helical. What kind of operation? Helical and spiral. Click to generate operation. Then the feature also not selecting. What kind of indication? Feature must be defined before generation of the tool path. So I am not defining this one. So I click to OK. Just select spiral. Let's see. Did you see? These kind of operations we are actually using in the finishing operation. If you want to see the cross verification of this, click to play. This is already removed the extra material. It is no material is there. Still it will be working on that particular area. If I go for different kind of operations, just select this helical and spiral, both the things. So click to generate. So what kind of operation it will do? You can mention here value of, click to generate. If you use this kind of operation, may affect. It's depending upon diameter, it will ask you. I will give you 0. You change here. Click to generate. See, you want to cross verify, you can verify it. There is no necessary. This is circular. This is also best operation for finishing operation. Click to generate operation. If you are selecting this one, see the finishing operation will created here. Click OK. If you are getting some knowledge with these videos, do subscribe my channel, click the bell icon below. Thank you for watching.